Alright guys, I'm in Tennessee right now at my friend's boat place, and here we are at the boat place, and appears like they have some Sentry series. So let's film it. Got a few Bryants and a few Paynes and a carrier right here. Yeah, I'm gonna start off with this Payne right here. So this Payne is a straight cool unit with an LG scroll. 2019 5-ton, 13 seer. And here's this brand new 2025 Payne. It replaced a 1997 Bryant 661C heat pump, which I never filmed before. The last time I saw it was probably last year in November. And this unit is a 2025 5-ton. It's manufactured the 4th week of 2025 in January. And here's this other Bryant. This one's got an Emerson scroll. This one has the same exact thing, and this one has the same exact thing as well. And I believe that the carrier down there has an LG too. Here's this Bryant. This one replaced a 1994 Bryant Aero Quiet system, which didn't seem to be working well the last time I saw it. It's a 2021 5-ton. It's a 14 seer. It's also a heat pump because of the H on the serial number model. And here is this newer Bryant. This one's also a heat pump. It's got an Emerson scroll. 2023 4-ton. So this is the only 4-ton out of all the units here. Yeah, but it's like the tallest one. And this one's the newest. This one's the second newest. And here's this carrier right here. It's got the Gentech ECM and the LG scroll. It is a heat pump. It's got swept fan blades. It's a 2024 5-ton. Oh wow, it's a 61,000 BTU. It's also a 16 seer 2-stage. This might be a newer Sentry series product. Yeah, CH16. I also saw a unit like this in the Michigan HVAC Heaven, but I caught it defrosting once. I also wanted to try to get it defrosting twice, but I never got a chance.